Imagine buying Bitcoin for 98,000 on one exchange and instantly selling it for 98,200 on another exchange without even lifting a finger. That is not a dream. That is crypto arbitrage. And today, I'm going to show you how it works. And that is not all. I'm going to show you the best bots that can automate it for you and how you can start today, even as a beginner. So let's get into it. What is crypto arbitrage? Let's break it down in simple terms. Crypto arbitrage is a trading strategy that profits from price differences of the same crypto assets like Bitcoin on different exchanges. For example, on Binance, BTC might be $98,000, while on Bybit it might be $98,200 there. That is a $200 difference per Bitcoin, and arbitrage traders make money by exploiting the gap. So the goal now is to buy low on one exchange and sell high on another, usually within seconds or minutes. It sounds simple, right? I know it sounds simple, but manually doing this can be risky and stressful. So that is where arbitrage bot comes in. How arbitrage bot works. Let's talk automation. A crypto arbitrage bot is a software tool that scans multiple exchanges 24/7 for price differences and executes trades instantly when an opportunity pops up. It saves you time, reacts faster than any human can, and eliminates emotional trading. So there are three types of crypto arbitrage. The first one is spatial arbitrage. Here you buy crypto on exchange A, transfer it to exchange B, and sell it. For instance, you buy crypto from Bybit, you transfer it to Coinex and sell it for profit. The second one is triangular arbitrage. In this one, you exploit differences between three trading pairs on the same exchange. For example, now you use BTC to buy Ethereum, use Ethereum to buy USDT. Now, finally, you convert by using USDT to buy BTC back. That is what we call triangular arbitrage. The third one is statistical arbitrage, but this one is more complex. It uses math models and historical data to predict price gaps. But for beginners, I recommend sticking to spatial arbitrage because it's simple, effective, and easier to monitor. Now, let's look at the top crypto arbitrage bots right now. The first one is Pawnex Arbitrage Bot. It's built in Pawnex exchange and easy for beginners. Then it has low fees, and good thing is it's available on mobile app. Second one is BitGap. BitGap supports over 25 exchanges and it has a visual interface and it has real-time monitoring. Then finally, it's great for intermediate traders. The third one I have for you is CoinRule. With CoinRule, coding is not needed here and have pre-built templates. Then it's very good for spot arbitrage. The fourth one is Crystal Hopper. It has advanced bots, it offers backtesting and strategy design, and its paid plan is very powerful. The last one, which is the fifth one, is Hummingbot. It's customizable, ideal for developers, and great for decentralization farms. But before using any bots, always test with small amount first. Learn the interface, set alerts, and track performance. Let's be real, every strategy has pros and cons. But the pros, number one, it has low risk if done right. Number two, you can easily make quick profits. Then number three, it does not rely on market trends. Then let's talk about the cons. Number one, transfer fee between two exchanges. And two, withdrawal delays may lead to lost opportunities. Then three, bots may need API setup and technical skills. Then four, not all bots are trustworthy. Avoid shady platforms. And that is why why it's super important to use secure exchanges, enable 2FA, and test before scaling. Here is how to get started. Even if you are a complete beginner, step number 1, pick 2 or more reliable exchanges. Let's say Binance, Bybit, Coinex, Mexi, and so on. Step number 2, sign up and complete your KYC. Step number 3, download a trusted arbitrage bot. I recommend starting with Pawnex or BitGap. Step number 4, connect your exchanges via API keys, but always enable your API restrictions for safety. Step number 5, you can start small, maybe within $50 to $100. Monitor, learn, and scale up when you are confident. Arbitrage is not risk-free. Delays, high fees, or price slippage can eat up your profits. Here are my tips for success. 1. Use exchanges with fast withdrawals. 2. Watch out for high withdrawal or network fees. 3. Stay updated with market news. 4. Be disciplined. If done right, arbitrage can be one of the safest ways to profit in crypto, even in a bear market. Alright, that's a full beginner's guide to crypto arbitrage bots. If you found this helpful, please smash the like button, then subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and comment below if you want step-by-step bot setup. This is Sheyidairo, helping you to trade smarter and not harder. I want you to go and watch this video next. Very important. I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.